This is Dimples, your favorite reporter on location with Goose today. Hello, Goose. How are you? Can I ask you a few questions, please? They say you're the smartest goose here. Are you Canadian? Did you fly all the way here? Do you know Mother Goose? I really like the nursery rhyme. Do you like the nursery rhyme? Do you want to play Duck Duck Goose? Okay, I'm the duck, you're the goose. Actually, I think I'm also a silly goose. But I'm not really a goose. I'm a silly dimple. The best dimple there is. And you're the best goose there is. Have you seen my videos on YouTube? Hey, I'm famous, you know. And you're going to be famous too. Everybody's going to love you. Thank you for being in my video and answering all my questions. I really appreciate you and I hope you have a wonderful vacation up north. This is Dimples reporting live with Goose. Come follow us and see our next videos before Goose flies out. That interview gave me goosebumps. Did you get goosebumps? See you next time.